Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this MZ Wallace Chelsea Everyday Bag. Oh friends, this bag is so good. It's so good. It's not one that was on my radar with MZ Wallace. It's not one that I thought I would have ever purchased, but I had a coupon towards the end of January that I just had to spend, and I had to find something that I needed, and this was it. And when I received it and opened it up, I was like, this is the it bag. Like, this is it. I don't know why everyone is not screaming about this bag from the rooftops, because it is so good. Like, I love it. It makes like the perfect everyday bag. I have it packed to the max, which is why it's kind of hard to kind of pick up and carry right now. I have my notebook, I have my iPad, I have my planner, I have snacks, I have like everything in this bag. It is the perfect kind of work bag for me. That's what I have it packed up for. You could easily just use it obviously as like an everyday bag. There's so much internal and external organization with this one. It's just like one of those bags that you look at that you're like, everything has a place and everything's in its place and I'm happy. Like, I don't know, but you get what I mean. It's just kind of one that it's just a really, really good one. So I'm gonna like briefly go through it while I'm holding it, but then I'm gonna go through it more when I put the camera down and do like an unpacking what's in my bag on this one, because it's kind of heavy, so it's hard to really hold up. But I did want to make sure I tried it on for you, of course, because I know that's a question that comes up a lot. You do have these like rolled handles that are surprisingly really comfortable. So this was my number one concern with this bag was these tote straps, and if they were going to be comfortable, if they were going to slide off my arm or anything like that. And I've only had it a couple of days. I've only carried it out like a handful of times, so I can't really say like attest to longevity or anything like that. But like first impressions, I really don't have an issue carrying this one at all. It's really comfortable, packed even as full as this one is, and I think it's because of the drop length. Like the drop length is really nice on it, so you can kind of like put your hand over it and carry it, and it's comfortable. And I just love it. I think it's a great one. You can also put the straps completely flat, if I can get it off here, so they won't stick up on you or anything like that. They just kind of fold flat on the bag. And then you can take your crossbody strap and of course wear the bag crossbody if you're traveling with it or commuting and you just want to, you know, like be hands-free or something. You have that option with this one. I have it a little bit longer than how I would typically wear it, but you guys get the idea here, kind of on the body. It's not super big, but it holds a lot and it's comfortable. You can kind of put it around the back of you if you wanted it, kind of, I don't know, wear it like that. You also have on the crossbody strap here this small little hook that you can attach like a link pouch to, or your keys, or a hand sanitizer, or a small little pouch. So I love that kind of option here. I went ahead and took that side strap off just so you can kind of see it a little bit better. You have tons of pockets here in the front. You have a front slip pocket right here, and then 2 zipper side pockets, as well as this big zipper pocket back here and another slip pocket right here. So tons of external pockets. And then I will show you the internal pockets here in just a second. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down so that we can unpack this bag and I can show you what I have packed in my work bag and then show you all of these pockets. All right, starting here with the front of the bag. In this front slip pocket, I just have my cell phone. This is the iPhone, I don't know, the newest iPhone, I just got it, but it's the Pro Max. I think it's the 15. I know, that sounds so dumb. I think it's iPhone 15, the newest one. And it's in kind of like a square case, if you will. This is one I got at Target. And I just have this magnetic kind of loop here attached to the back of it. But I have no problems whatsoever fitting that down in the front of that pocket there. Then you have these 3 pockets on the front. Down here in this one is the perfect size for my Touchland hand sanitizer. So I have that tucked down in that front pocket. And then the smaller one that's right above it is the cutest, most perfect size for Altoids and gum. I love it. It's like the pocket was made for it. So I have a couple of sticks of gum in there and Altoids. I'll actually just kind of leave those in there. And then over here in this pocket is all of my small things. So like all my cosmetic type stuff, if you will. I have a scrunchie down in there. I have a lip product that I have been obsessed with. I have to talk about this for just a second. All right, so this lip treatment, it's kind of like a gloss basically, but it is made by the company Clarity. It's the company that I use for all of my skincare. Every single bit of it comes from them. And I just recently got this lip treatment thinking that I would just use it at night after I do my skincare, but I will always have one in my bag because it's so good. It's just super obviously conditioning and hydrating. The top like applicator is actually very cool against your lips. So it's so nice. I can't say enough about it. It's a favorite. So have that tucked down in there. And then I have a lip gloss by Summer Fridays. I also have a lip liner. I have another Clarity product. This is just a like face mist kind of spray to condition your face, nourish it, all that. So kind of when it's hot outside. I have a travel small Burberry perfume. I have a cuticle cream that I love. You guys have seen this in a good bit of my bags. And then I also have down in there a couple hair ties, some eye drops, another lip mask that I've actually been carrying a while. I don't know if I'll carry this one anymore since I have this Clarity one, but this is a good one also. So all of that and more would fit down in the front of this pocket. While I have this one empty, I want to show you the lining of this bag. It is so pretty. It's the brightest, most beautiful blue, and I'm obsessed with it. Moving on over here to this side pocket. This pocket, I have a spot for all of my snacks. I have 3 kind of beef sticks. I have a couple of Kind bars. It is like the perfect little pocket for all the snacks. So that is what I have over there in that side pocket. Then moving on over here to the other side pocket so I can show you. This pocket here holds the small Mina Bay pouch perfectly. This is a pouch that comes in like a set of 3. This is the smallest of the 3, and it is the perfect fit down inside that little pocket there. And inside here, I just have kind of like a little mini med kit. I have my pill case that holds all of my pills on the go. Anyone that you could ever think of. And then I also have down in here just some Band-Aids, eye drops, just kind of that kind of stuff down inside this small little pouch. Then moving on here to the back of the bag, you have one more like slip pocket right here at the top, and it goes all the way down. It's a really deep and big pocket. I just have my keys down in there with my O-Venture key ring, my house keys, office keys, all that kind of fun stuff in there. And then I have in this long zipper pocket back here. It's kind of hidden, can't even really see it. But I have a gift card that I needed to put in my wallet. And then I have the long Crosby wallet. That is so good. I love this wallet. Kind of set the bag up a little bit better here so you can see it. There we go. You have a pocket there, like a zip pocket on the front. No pockets on the back. And then when you unzip it, you have room for tons of cards. A bunch on this side, a bunch on this side, a zip pocket, lots and lots of room in this one. I love it, and it fits back here, no problems at all. Moving on here to the inside of the bag, these zipper pulls are nice and long. They're made out of leather, and it opens up really, really big. Let me actually bump the camera up just a little bit higher so that you can see what I mean. You have so much internal organization on this one. You have 2 pockets here, 2 side pockets that I'm not even using, and then you have a zipper pocket back here that I'm not using either. In these 2 front pockets, I just have my eyeglasses in this one, inside this little kind of leather case, and then I have my hand cream. You can obviously put more in these pockets. I don't have them stuffed at all. This is my favorite hand cream lately. I've been loving it. Then I have the book that I'm reading. It is a Sarah Adams book, The Off-Limits Rule. So I'm in that one. And then I have right over here the pouch that comes with the bag. And inside this one, I just have all of my tech stuff. So I have my portable charger, which is really cool. It kind of has all those different charging cables in the back of it. I also have my SD card holder. You can fit a lot in this one. It's just small, kind of compact. It's great for on the go, so I have that in there. I also have my Apple Pencil, some regular pens, some like sticky notes, all in here. And I also had my like big charging cord, but that's actually plugged in behind me. So I have all of that in there. And then the only other thing I have in here, just because I utilize these outside pockets so much, is my iPad. And this is an iPad like 12.9, like almost a 13-inch. And it fits in here no problem at all, with kind of room here at the top. And I have my Magic Air like keyboard on here. So that's what I have kind of just slid down in there. And then I have my Erin Condren planner right here with the tabs. And this is I don't know what size that is. This is an 8x10 Erin Condren notebook. And I think this might just be like a little bit smaller of a size. I thought it was 8x10 as well. I think this just might be a little bit bigger because the covers on the outside. But this is my planner here. And then I have my notebook in here. And as you can see, it fits in this bag perfectly. Like snug back there in the back. It's great. No problems at all. Kind of fold it down, take it in and out. And it's like a pretty big notebook there. So I'll give you a look of this bag empty so that you can see the other pocket over here and over here. And then you also have a key leash inside here. You can obviously use all of these pockets on the inside and really like organize well. So I love it. The interior color is just so perfect. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this MZ Wallace Chelsea everyday bag. I will have the links to everything in my bag as well as my MZ Wallace affiliate link should you want to shop anything that I shared with you today. I so appreciate it anytime you guys think of me and shop through my affiliate links. It really, really helps support my channel. If you have any questions, comments, want to chat bags, feel free to leave that down below or just reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.